Are you looking for the best hand mixers for cookie dough? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best hand mixers for cookie dough on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. This Cuisinart hand mixer includes all the features you need, plus a few extras that make it our favorite choice. The powerful motor has a one-touch digital speed control that lets you easily select and move through the 9 settings while the mixer is in use. The ultra-convenient clip-on storage case holds the power cord and all of the mixing attachments, even the included plastic spatula. The design of this hand mixer contributed to it receiving our top vote. The inside of the handle is curved, similar to the handle of a knife, which makes for a comfortable and stable grip while mixing, even one-handed. Rather than a button on the top of the handle that releases the beaters, the release is located on a trigger latch on the inside of the handle where you're less likely to accidentally hit it. Additionally, the power cord is thoughtfully designed to swivel to the left or right and locks in place to stay out of the way while you're mixing, conveniently adaptable to left or right-handed users. We noticed that the machine is louder than other models at its top speeds, although the mixer didn't show any other signs of struggling, like overheating or excessive shaking. Number of speeds, 9 attachments, 2 beaters, 1 whisk, 2 dough hooks, plastic spatula. Power, 220 watts. Weight, 4 pounds. Number 2. Most powerful at 350 watts, this hand mixer blows the competition out of the batter. Some stand mixers don't even have 350 watts of power. This one uses something called Smart Mix technology, which basically means the motor is aligned vertically for better weight distribution. Braun also did away with ventilation slots, so you can stop worrying about ingredients making their way inside the unit. Simply wipe with a cloth to clean. It only comes with whisk and dough attachments, but that's because the whisks double as beaters depending on the speed setting. Speaking of speed settings, there are 9, not including a turbo feature. We don't love the storage case it comes with because it is just a bag, but hand mixers don't take up a ton of space anyway. Number of speeds, 9 attachments, 2 beater/whisks, 2 dough hooks, 1 food chopper. Power, 350 watts. Weight, 2.2 pounds. Number 3. Best budget. This incredibly popular hand mixer is a staple in home kitchens everywhere. While it doesn't have as many bells and whistles as some of the other models, it's a simple, reliable mixer that's been on the market for generations. Updated to include a snap-on case for keeping mixer attachments, this set includes both beater and balloon whisk attachments, an upgrade from previous versions. At peak use, the 6-speed hand mixer utilizes a 250-watt motor and a burst button to power through any clumps you may come across in your batter, though it is tough to get through thick doughs. Easy to store and lightweight enough for both adults and kids to handle, this mixer is ready for brownie mixes, cake batters, and lightweight cookie doughs. This hand mixer is also designed to rest on the side of the bowl if you need to put it down while working on your project, without worrying about dripping batter all over your counter. We also think this would be a great mixer for kids to use while learning to bake. Number of speeds, 6 attachments, 2 beaters, 1 whisk. Power, 250 watts. Weight, 2.8 pounds. Number 4. Best cordless. KitchenAid is obviously known for its high-quality stand mixers, but we were curious to see how the brand's hand mixer models performed. We tested 4 different KitchenAid hand mixers, including the 7-speed cordless model, since it's one of the few name-brand appliance companies that offers a cordless mixer option. Given how much power a mixer requires over a sustained period of time, cordless appliances tend to sacrifice performance for convenience. As far as performance goes, the biggest perk is that we didn't have any issues charging the hand mixer, nor did it lose power while we were in the middle of any projects. The indicator light lets you know the battery level, which is helpful. The design is sleek, and we like that because this mixer is smaller, it's easier to store. With all of that said, we were prepared to make some trade-offs in functionality for the convenience of having a cordless hand mixer, so we aren't at all disappointed in how the mixer performed. Overall, the mixer feels sturdy, without overheating or making any alarming noises while mixing. Infrequent bakers likely won't have any issues with softer batters and doughs. Number of speeds, 7 attachments, 2 beaters, 1 charging cord, power, 12 volts, weight, 2.1 pounds. Number 5. Easiest to control. We tested 3 Hamilton Beach hand mixers for this collection, but there were a few features that set the professional 5-speed hand mixer apart from the others. The first thing we noticed while testing this mixer was how easy it was to use one-handed, thanks in part to the relatively light weight of the machine and in part to the placement of all of the operating functions. Like most other models, the power and speed controls are on top of the mixer, along with a quick burst button for a hit of extra power. The rolling style lever that controls the power and speed has a raised notch that makes it easy to control with your thumb while the machine is on. And while it's on, it's definitely quieter than other models. But what we really like about this mixer is that it's got the same attachment release trigger as our best overall mixer pick. The trigger style release cuts down on the chance of accidentally releasing the beaters while you're mixing, and it's less of a struggle to release them when it's time to take the machine apart. Included are a wire whisk attachment and a snap-on case to keep the sturdy wire beaters, whisk, and power cord tidy when storing. We found that the storage box was a little difficult to clip into place. The hand mixer also doesn't include dough hook attachments like some of the more expensive models, which makes this mixer less appropriate for mixing up heavier cookie and bread doughs. Number of speeds, 5 attachments, 2 beaters, 1 whisk, power, 120 watts, weight, 2.8 pounds. Number 6. Best high-end. Appliances are getting smarter, this hand mixer included. It detects the attachment and adjusts the speed to the best range for that particular style of mixing. It offers higher torque at lower speeds and 9 speeds, so you can start slow and work your way up. We loved the double whisk design, which made it incredibly easy to whip eggs. The scraper beaters are coated so you can beat right against the side of the bowl with less noise. There's a count-up timer so you can keep track of the mixing time for recipes that require a specific mixing length. A mixing light makes it easier to see what's in the bowl, and a power boost button lets you momentarily increase the speed to get past a lump in the batter and then resume mixing at normal speed. A pause button lets you stop mixing momentarily so you can add ingredients. While we found all of the features of this mixer to be nearly perfect, the mixer is one of the heaviest options at 4 pounds. All the parts fit in a storage case that clips onto the bottom of the mixer, and the cord tucks in there as well. Number of speeds, 9 attachments, 2 beaters, 2 whisks, 2 dough hooks, power, 240 watts, weight, 4 pounds. Number 7. Best color options. We get it, you've put effort into designing your kitchen, and you want everything to coordinate. From your kitchen appliances down to your silicone spatulas, there's a color theme, and you want to keep it going. KitchenAid is here to provide you with all of the colorful appliances you could want that conveniently match several other small machines they offer. The KitchenAid Ultra Power 5-speed hand mixer is available in 11 different color options to suit your needs, admittedly at a premium. This model isn't as versatile or powerful as other KitchenAid models, but it includes a set of wire beater attachments. 5-speed settings take you from gentle mixing to rapid whipping with just a few clicks. If your mixer acts up for any reason, KitchenAid provides a 1-year, hassle-free replacement warranty to keep you baking. We wish it came with a few more attachments and a storage case, but this hand mixer is sturdy enough to be stored as it is. Number of speeds, 5 attachments, 2 beaters, power, 145 watts, weight, 2 pounds. Number 8. Best for whipped cream. If you're looking for a faster, easier, and less expensive way to whip up fresh cream or meringue but don't want to spend a lot for functions you'll never use, this mixer fills the bill. It's got an ergonomic design and nylon helix beaters that offer 2 times more surface area than your typical wire beater. The Black Plus Decker Helix mixer is lightweight, so it's not tiring to hold, and it has 5 speeds, so you can start slow and work your way up to a faster speed for whipping or beating. The power boost button increases the power until you release it, so you can power through lumps and then continue mixing at the original speed. The beaters are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The appliance comes with 2 helix beaters, 2 dough hooks, 1 wire whisk, and a storage case. While it's not super easy to get the attachments off and it does shake slightly while in use, we found it has good power, particularly for the price. It's available in a number of fun colors, including teal, lime green, black, and white. Number of speeds, 5 attachments, 2 helix beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 1 wire whisk. Power, 250 watts. Weight, 3.26 pounds.